Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this very beautiful bob wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful bob wig. Like I said in my other wig install video, I told you guys that one is black and gold. I told you I would prefer like a brown and gold, and yeah, this is a brown and gold and I'm absolutely loving it, and it's really short. If you know me, you know I prefer short hair. It's just way more comfortable to wear short hair. This hair is very beautiful. Like if I'm to dye weave like this, if I'm to dye a wig like this, I know I won't get this color, but this color is so beautiful. It's well made, and the hair is great quality. Like it's one of the best hair I've ever had. I'm really excited about this wig, and if you're wondering, this wig is from Unice Hair Company. I'm going to put all the hair specs and everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so guys, I'm going to show you guys what the package came with. So these are the items that came with the package. Now I'm gonna show you guys what the wig looks like. You guys can see it's a very beautiful wig. So right here I'm going to apply my got to be glued gel. I'm going to apply it on my edges. After applying it, I'll just use my blow dryer to dry it a little bit. I want it to be sticky. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig. So now I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf on the front part of my hair and then still dry it. Then after that, I'm going to take off the scarf, and here I'm going to go ahead and brush my wig. But I'm going to apply my heat protectant, that's my hair serum. Then I'm going to go ahead and comb the hair. I'm also using a hot comb to comb the hair. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. This wig is absolutely beautiful. The color is just crazy. I am so in love with this wig. So right here, I'm just going to comb it all to the back. And And this is what it looks like. It is very lovely. So right here, I'm just gonna try another style on it. And this is the result. Very nice. Then this is the last style I'll be trying. And yes guys, that's pretty much it. I absolutely love this wig. It's very beautiful. Please don't forget to like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.